Today on SugarHero, I'm showing you how to make Oreo fudge. This is a creamy white chocolate fudge packed with Oreo cookies. It's made entirely in a microwave, so it's super fast and easy to whip up. Start by chopping up 18 Oreo cookies into small pieces. It's fine to have some in crumbs and some medium pieces. Separate out a few tablespoons of the crumbs for a topping and then put all the cookies aside for a minute. In a large bowl, combine 3 cups of white chocolate chips, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, make sure you're not using evaporated milk, and 2 ounces of chopped butter. Microwave the white chocolate for 30 seconds at 50% power. We do this because it's important to melt it gently and gradually. Then stir everything together well. At this point, the butter and white chocolate won't be completely melted. You're just trying to get everything really well mixed. So keep microwaving the fudge in short bursts at half power, stirring between every session. After 1 to 2 minutes, your chocolate should be completely melted and your fudge should be nice and smooth. Next, add vanilla extract and salt and stir everything together. And at this point, if your fudge looks a little broken, heat it up a little more and stir well to bring it back together. Just keep heating and stirring and it will come together. Now add most of the chopped Oreos, except the ones you set aside for the topping, and stir them into the fudge. Scrape the fudge into a square 8 by 8 inch pan lined with foil or parchment and smooth out the top. Scatter the rest of the Oreo pieces on top and then press down gently with your fingertips so they are embedded in the fudge. Let the fudge set completely either for a few hours in the refrigerator or overnight at room temperature, and then cut it into small squares to serve it. I like to use a large sharp chef's knife and I run it under warm water occasionally to get really clean cuts. I love this fudge because it's super rich and creamy, has a great cookies and cream flavor. You can try it with different extracts and other flavors of Oreo cookies to really make it your own. Enjoy!